Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, in this video, we are going to learn about how to download Fidelity Bank application on your Android device. But before jumping into the video, make sure that you have subscribed to our YouTube channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos from us in the future. Now, in order to download Fidelity Bank application on your Android device, make sure that your device is connected to the internet. And if it is connected, then open Play Store on your device. After opening Play Store, in the search bar, type FIGELITY space BANK space APP and press the search button. Then Play Store will show different results related to our search. Then on the top, there will be what we are looking for. Open it and there you can see a green install button. If you press that button, Play Store will then start your installation process. To learn more about this application, scroll down and you will see an area where it is written about this app. There you can learn more about the application. After waiting for a while, your application will be successfully installed in your device and then you can use it to its fullest. I hope today's tutorial video was helpful for you. If so, don't forget to like this video, comment down in the comment box if you have any questions or feedbacks. We will be back soon with more videos. Till then, goodbye.